Yep. Keep my wife's name out your fucking
Looks like you lost another one.
How's it going? Is you I talked on the? It was you I talked on the phone with?
Yes, sir. How you
Yeah, I'm doing good. Yourself?
I'm Jeremy.
OD.
Nice to meet you.
You as well.
So what was going on with it?
So, Amazon driver fucking reversed into my shit, and the shit hit sideways.
The Amazon driver did?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why he's trying to keep.
He ain't trying to have that insurance go up. Yeah, for real. He fucked my shit up. And then I was planning on selling it because I go to the Navy in July, so I'm not really trying to put it on fucking insurance.
Right.
And lose my value and shit.
You're on Navy in July?
Yeah.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
I had lost out on my child, signed up for the Army, ready to go, got into a car accident 4 days away from shipping out.
God damn.
Already swore on MEPS.
God
They
damn.
told me to stay my ass at home.
Yeah.
You are government property. Fourth day, I was like, you know what? I'll go with my friend just to go pick up her boyfriend. Car accident, ended it all.
Damn, that's fucked up.
Yep. Could not do a dead man's drop, couldn't pass physical anymore, so they said, you're out.
Damn.
Alright, so.
Fuck. Yeah, he fucked up this shit. Scrape here, shit here. The fucking pedal is so it's inside the bike now. He broke the clutch.
Alright, so I mean, he did like a, I hate to say it, like a love tap. Like he didn't like full on. I was expecting this thing to be a lot worse and towed here. Oh shit. I mean, here's the thing, are you trying to go OEM?
Because this is aftermarket right here.
Yeah, this is the fender delete,
Yeah.
fender eliminator, but this was OEM.
Yeah.
All of this, I mean, your foot pegs, all of that is OEM.
Yeah, yup.
I mean, it's really up to you. I mean, we can get the aftermarket parts.
For what, like the tail lights and
Yeah, I mean, I could try to get the rear plastic sets.
Yeah.
The
peg.
yeah, the pegs and stuff we can do aftermarket.
Shit, I do aftermarket. Shit, he paying for it. Fuck it.
All right, I can. Yeah, we can look in to see what we can do for getting on aftermarket. The problem is it's so new that there's gonna be very limited.
And trust me, I tried to find some fucking aftermarket price for this hard, bro. Like I got the engine cover from AliExpress, and it's like what, $80.
Yeah, even from even from there.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we could definitely try to track down stuff. I mean, since it is new, I hate to say it.
It's gonna be hard, and then the shipping.
It's gonna be hard, but also it's gonna be expensive. I mean, he's gonna have to put out probably a G.
A G? 1G?
Probably.
Oh, so I thought it was gonna be more than that.
Just for the parts.
Oh, okay.
And then to install and shit. I mean, because this whole unit, this all right here comes as one unit in the back.
Oh.
You know, so they have the aftermarket fairing kits for them, but then you're gonna have to do a paint match if you want it the same. The pegs, Why is there tape on both sides?
Oh, cause it was rubbing my thing. So
Okay. All right, so it's just pretty much the lever and then the rear on it. So
Yeah.
he didn't hit it hard. He love tapped it and the bike went down.
yeah, and it looked like this shit cricket, or it's just probably how the bike is slanted. Can you check the forks? For some reason, it looked like a tab ball.
I mean, the problem is, I'd have to get this thing up. I'd have to spend some time with this thing. To
Okay.
go through it.
All good, yeah.
That's the only thing.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, because if you want to, yeah, I can go through this, price everything out, go from there. I see these are the aftermarket sequentials.
No, those. Oh yeah,
These are OEM now?
yeah.
What? These always came aftermarket sequentials.
Oh shit.
So I guess
This my first bike.
I think
Shit.
CBR finally just stepped up, or was like, all right, because everybody changes to these. Nobody wants
Appreciate it.
the because they used to have the ugly ass ones that came out way up out here, the roundish cone ones.
I think those go. Those on the 300.
Yeah, that's one of the ones that it usually came with. So this is the sequentials on it.
Yeah.
And also, I mean, this one's sticking out further than this one.
Yeah. Yup.
And I think this one
It got pushed in.
Yeah, this is broke too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to spend some time with this one.
All right.
Three days later.
This is the old shifter. This the new. See the placement. You can see how bent it is. Let's stand up. Look at the placement. It's kind of more bent in. If y'all can see. Facing that way. So all you gotta do is unscrew this. I loosened it already. Hopefully y'all can see the camera. Screw this. That's out. And then you want to grab some pliers and then just twist to the left. And that's to loosen it up. And I believe just twist. Just twist it. Ta-da. Old, new. So let me give y'all a better comparison on the damage. And then, damn, look how bent that is. Look at that. That's bad. So, just gonna replace it. Screw that back down. I believe it was at that point. Nope, a little lower. Wait. Damn, I should have measured it. If I have to adjust it, I will. I'm trying to see. believe. Hold on. Let me see where my foot stands at. My foot placement. We're gonna go a little bit higher. Just a little bit. Yeah, make sure when y'all do this, y'all measure the original, so you won't have to do what I do, having to go back and forth. Now this ground is gonna be a pain in the ass. This rubber piece. And the other thing that came in today was this shit right here, and you can tell we definitely needed it because the clips is broken on both sides. So now we just waiting for the fairing to come in. I was gonna take it to the shop, but this shit is easy work. Kind of feel definitely not how it was originally, but it feels like, to be honest, it feels way better than how it was. You know how you ride and you hit neutral by mistake? Hold on, we're gonna try. We're gonna slow down. Hold on, we're gonna get to the stop sign. But it felt like the placement make it where you're not hitting neutral by mistake. See, second, bro. Second. It didn't go to neutral, and I feel like I'm hitting the peg as usual. And if I gotta go to neutral, I can go to neutral. Hold on, we gonna stop and see. But then I noticed also, oh, I'm in 6th gear. Playing with the gear and shit. Hold on. I'm going too far. No reason. She's straight to 2. I'm not missing neutral. I mean, I'm not hitting neutral. So let's slow down. Let's slow down. Let's try to hit neutral this time. Let's try to hit neutral. See, I couldn't hit neutral. I think that might be a problem. Hold on. Oh, a little tap. Little tap. Little tap. We're gonna try again. A little tap. 2. I like it. I like it. Shifter has definitely got better. Definitely got better. Definitely got better. So I tried to go into that time and missed. Yeah, thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe and like. Peace out. If y'all need a lever for the left side, hit me up. It'll be on Indeed. I mean, I said Indeed. On eBay for probably like $10. If y'all need it, I got you.